So now that we have MySQL installed on our system, we can use the MySQL Workbench to confirm that it's installed properly. Just open the Workbench. We'll pick the instance we just created with the root user. And it will open here. It'll give us a space for querying. When you first open it, it'll have the management over here. You can check server status. Running, everything looks good. What I'm going to do is click the schemas tab down here and go back to the query. So if we want to just make sure it's running, we'll do something like select sysdate function, and we can run that. And we get a result, so that looks good. And we could also do something like, if you look here, there's already a schema installed for world. So got some tables such as city. So if we wanted to do a select star from world.city, execute that, it's going to pull up the city table. So looks like we've got that installed properly. We should be good to go.